Hey there, Lord of the Smart Rings here. There's a lot happening in the world of smart rings right now. We could mention the new version, let's say, of Ringcon app. It's nicely polished and finally adds some features that were missing before. We could mention that Muse One Ring has finally released its NFC payment feature, which I'm currently testing or trying to test. We could mention the Circular is struggling with its servers. We could mention also that Ultrahuman finally shows some data integration between the Ring and Ultrahuman home device. However, today we are taking a quick look at a different ring. I was contacted by the Omni Health team about their smart ring called Omni Ring. I'm trying to focus on rings that bring something unique to the table, which is actually quite hard these days. With Omni Ring, what stands out is their strong emphasis on AI. I know, that word gets thrown around a lot. But in this case, the AI means to focus on personal plans, especially on nutrition guidance. Does that mean the end of nutritionist? I don't think so, but we'll take a look. There's also some gamification, I believe, going on, maybe behind paywall, we'll see. I think it comes with a charging case and they have some sort of unique metric, kind of Garmin's body battery. We'll check also their website, see what they promise, what they talk about. I actually quite like the look of their site and also the content of their blog. And then of course we'll unbox and set up the app. So let's get started. So as I said, let's first take a look at their website, which is quite nice, I need to admit. I mentioned how they emphasize the nutrition and AI coach. You can see it at the first place. And of course, they say they are first smart rings with this approach. Also, you can get 1 month Super Mini, which is their subscription plan that includes some premium features. The ring starting from $999. Here's also the Energy QI feature and Academy. The Energy QI, I believe it's basically some version of Garmin's body battery, which is supposed to calculate your energy levels through the day. There is, I believe, more info about how it works. Yes, one more. There's more info, of course, about the ring and also some reviews. 3 grams of seamless comfort. Every smart ring is around 3 grams. There is nothing special about it. And we have also some reviews here. Looks like all of them are good. Yeah, 5 stars. So be cautious about these things. They often go through the filter. I'm not accusing Omni as a company, but you know how this goes in general. Another thing, yeah, here is the team. I'm afraid this looks like a stock marketing photo, but of course I'm not sure. Our journey, yes, there is mentioned the Kickstarter campaign. I didn't back them there. So I'm a bit surprised because I supported a million of different smart rings. Some of those don't even work anymore, some never arrived, and some might arrive soon, maybe from Switzerland. Okay, leadership team, here is Johnny.
Here's Johnny!
He almost looks like that guy who doing the reviews, I believe, but I'm of course joking. Where do we have the reviews? I saw it somewhere. Anyway, here we have also I believe we have some FAQ question. Yeah, we have it here. So you can check some basic questions. Also, we can yeah, I do like this. This is basically a link to their blog, and they compare their Omni health smart ring with Aura ring, Ultra Human, or Rincon, which is basically the holy trinity, let's say. It's a bit of pity because all the metrics they compare are only within those 4 rings. They are own and the ones I mentioned. No reference device, no chest strap, no EEG, no polysomnography, nothing like that. Even so, they show result side by side, and I think they compare mainly to Aura, which is also the current leader of my best smart ring series. So this is pretty nice, and I will of course provide some deeper analysis during my own review. Let's open the box and let's see what's inside. Alright, let's finally make an unboxing out of this video. So this is the box. Let's unwrap it and let's have a look. Let's also check some tags here. You can see the brand name, which is the Omni Health. There is the smart ring built in lithium-ion battery, the charging case. Company Omni Health, of course, USA, but of course made in China. Your health, our mission. Sounds good, I would say. The package, I like it. Quite nice box. Maybe we could even, I believe, yes. Oh, we can even propose to someone with it. Who knows? Anyway, the box, or rather the charging case, looks quite small, a little bit unusual. The other ones I often shown here seems to be a bit bigger, as you can see. This is the Omni charging box. Here's for example a Samsung ring box, Circle, some clone News One ring. This is, I don't even remember the name. So, and this is the Omni ring, which seems to be small, light, and I need to say interesting. There is some specific element, not sure if you can see it, which makes it somehow unique. It feels very light, I need to say. We can quickly compare that the Omni ring is about 2.3 or 4 grams, and for example Aura, which is let's say more metal, is about 4.2 grams. And I believe that the size should be similar to Aura, at least the size on the finger, size 9 I believe, and it seems to be smaller in terms of weight, I would say. We can measure it and we'll see. Let's take a look at the dimensions. I've got my caliper here ready. So let's start by measuring Aura Generation 4, which comes in, let's say, 7.9 millimeters. Now the new Omni ring, which is really slim, I need to say, measures a beautiful 6.5 millimeters, which is excellent number, and it's not thick either. For comparison, current leader, I would say, in this dimensions series, let's say, is Rincon Generation 2, which is 6.8 millimeters. So we have new leader here, and for example Ultra Human Air is even wider, it's over 8 millimeters. So dimension is, let's say, quite impressive. I really like that. Let's also check the rest of the box, where we have, I suppose, some user manual and also cable. In this case, USB-A and USB-C cable, and user manual with QR code for downloading the application. And as we can see, there is button on the charging case, which I can press again to disable and to activate the charging. And the manual says that we should put the ring with the, how they call it, give me a sec, raised area on the outer ring, as you can see. So I believe like this, which is unique. And yeah, we can see the red light indicates the charging. That's pretty nice. Let's have a look at the app. So let's take a look at the app. It looks pretty empty for now. We've got insights, we have plan with some food intake, with AI coach, I already tried it out, profile, and okay, let's start pairing. Okay, we have done that. Let's find, okay, and pair. And it's ready for tomorrow's insight. Sure, I'm supposed to wear it through the day to get some numbers about energy QI. So yeah, currently charging. We can take it out of the box, so we can see it's battery 100%, generation 1. Nice. So we can, I should wear it. I guess I can wear it also on my ring finger too. What do you think? So I'm afraid there is not much I can show you right now. Health monitor looks good, sleep, mind, activity, blood sugar coming soon. Okay, impressive, maybe. This looks like something similar to Aura Meals. You can photo your lunch and get some AI insights. Okay, there is also the AI coach. Let's check briefly. Hi there. Yeah, want to sleep better. Of course. It's basically a chatbot you can chat with. I'll test this later on. I I aim to test properly all AI chats within the variables in general. For now, I think that's about everything I can show you. Maybe I'll try scanning some food later to see how well it works. It looks like I can even add a game here. There is the game list. Let's check briefly. Some of them are locked. I'm not sure. I was thinking this is behind the paywall. Power Punch. Omni versus, I don't know, something is happening or not. Hopefully I'm not just waiting for another player. Nope, it seems like nothing is happening, or I don't know. Anyway, I'll proper test all these little features later as a part of full review, which will take several weeks, of course, of testing. For now, I mainly want to focus on some other rings which are under testing, circular and news one ring, the paid one, let's say, with the payment feature, and I'm also considering testing some few others. But for now, I'll have to end it here. That's all for this video. I hope I was a bit more than just regular unboxing. Let me know if this ring caught your interest, or if you have any questions. And take care. See you in the full review.